something that could be like in sort of 2,000 years time or something, patrolling a planet and keeping the locals in order. And the thing about a flamethrower I always thought was that it just looked so good in a studio, any studio environment. Flames always look so good. I also thought, well, with Sgt Bash we would need maybe a sort of cutting disc or something, so we put a cutting disc in the back of it.
Sgt Bash is back with new weaponry, hydraulic pincers at the front and that ferocious flamethrower mounted on a 360-degree turret. This war machine's certain to leave all opponents hot under the collar.
So this is Sgt Bash. He's a great robot. Now, I built Sgt Bash and designed him in the first series. He's changed a bit since then, but he's always had the flamethrower. The flamethrower is a fantastic weapon. It looks brilliant in a Robot Wars arena, really lights up the arena. Flames look great with all the lights and the other robots around him. Now, Sgt Bash has particularly got a thing with Diotor, though. He just loves setting light to Diotor.
What a run here for Diotor! They're on fire! Oh, great! I'd pay my admission fee just to see this! Look at this! They're on fire! A flame and burning! Diotor! They've got to rebuild it all over again! At least look at the flag on top. At least that's not smouldering. Diotor have got to rebuild it once again, all over again. Well,
so, Mike, tell us about the new difference with Sgt Bash then. What have we got here?
Well, the main difference this time round is that Sgt Bash has got a hydraulic cutting jaw, which generates about 8 tons of pressure on the tip here. Now, hydraulics differs from pneumatics, which is what shunt runs on, in that as opposed to pushing compressed air about, we're pushing compressed liquid about, and because it's liquid and because it's uncompressible, we manage to get a lot more pressure out of it.
So a lot more pressure, does that mean a lot more sort of energy basically, doesn't it?
Yeah, a lot more energy. Basically the liquid is running around here at about 2,000 pounds per square inch, running into here, through the ram and out to there, and because of the leverage and the mechanics of how it works, we generate about 8 tons at the tip here.
Sgt Bash has got giant hydraulic hoses. These are much thicker, much stronger, and can withstand that high pressure. So what else have we got going on at the front here? We've got, what's that? There's a little pump down there. Do you want to talk about the pump?
Well, the pump down here is the hydraulic pump, so that generates all the pressure, forces all the liquid into the ram. The pump runs at about 2.2 kilowatts, generating, as I said before, 2,000 pounds per square inch of hydraulic pressure.
So the design of the jaws here, the shape and the profile and everything was based around the Second World War fighter. The sort of artwork that you see on some of the Typhoon fighters from the Second World War, what the Americans painted on their bombers as well.
So this is the fiberglass back cover, and underneath we've got Sgt Bash's other weapon, which is his gas-powered flamethrower. Now this runs on a standard bottle of gas in here. Gas comes out along this orange hose, up into the turret here, and is operated by an electrically controlled valve, and we can manage to fire a flame about 20 feet.